So the first question is, what is the difference between a coterminal angle and a reference angle? A coterminal angle is two angles with the same initial and terminal sides, but may have a different number of rotations. So it may go around in standard position 3 times, another one may go around 5, but they have the same initial and terminal side. And for a reference angle is an acute version of that angle. So in standard position, the reference angle would be the smallest angle that you can get between the x-axis and the terminal side. So say you had like 170 degrees, the reference angle would be 10 degrees, that acute angle. That makes it up to 180. What 2 topics have I struggled with in this course so far? One of them would be solving for trig functions, just because using sine, cosine, and tangent, even though it's using algebra, it was very different for me. Learning all those new identities and everything was a lot, and it just made it a little complicated at first, but I felt like I understand a little better now and I'm more comfortable with the identities, but that's something I definitely struggled with. Another topic that I struggled with was graphing the trig functions. I felt pretty good about graphing sine and cosine since they're pretty similar, they're just kind of flipped, but tangent really threw me off since it's kind of flipped vertically instead of horizontally, and I'm still kind of having trouble graphing that, but that's one I had trouble with. What topic did I enjoy the most about this course? I really enjoyed Chapter 7, Solving for Triangles, because it's something that I'm just more familiar with, and what I think trig is solving for triangles, and I find them a lot more fun and easier to solve versus using the trig functions like algebraically, solving for them, and graphing them.